this just arrived an hour ago, took me about 5 minutes to assemble. It's the RADIOLINK A560 3D plane. It's a flat pack aircraft, comes with everything, the transmitter, the receiver, the batteries, which arrived separately on a separate parcel about 2 days ago, and it looks really good with its own little carrying box. So it folds flat, ideal for travelling. That's why I thought I'd get it, but we'll take it up and just give it a try. The wind is coming from the north. We're taking it on the flat surface here, so hopefully this will be okay for it. Just checking to make sure all the surfaces work fine. Here we go. She's very light on its feet, very light. One of those propellers that breaks away if it crashes, and they give you an extra prop with it, which is good. Beautiful little transmitter. Love the transmitter. Everything's quality about this machine. It really is good. The high quality finish on the aircraft, easy to put together, thumb screws to put in the wings. Got the little birds chasing it around, wondering what was going on, but very, very easy to fly. In the 5 flight modes, this aircraft has stabilised, gyro, manual, acrobatic and vertical flight modes. And you can easily change the flight modes with a flip of a switch. Let's try a bit of distance now. We'll take it up and just see how far we can get it out. You may not be able to see it because it'll be a bit of a dot, but I'll try a little camera on it and see how it goes. Powerful little motor and very, very quiet. Wouldn't annoy anybody. I'm looking forward to taking this to the beach. I've got a dog here chasing and trying to jump up and down on it. Almost wrecked it before. Oh, she goes really high, and that stabiliser was working beautifully. It's wanting to get into its 3D mode. What a gorgeous day here today. It's around 21 degrees. Now let's try for a landing. Tiny little wheels, but even the wheels are well made. And there it is, on the grass. That seemed to hold pretty well. 2 cameras on the A560. First time ever, I think. Very successful first flight with this aircraft. I love it. Thanks for flying with us today. I hope you enjoyed the flight. Until we meet again, happy flying.